Hi everyone, thank you so much for liking my previous video. In my previous video we saw how we can trade on Binomo and we can play using cryptocurrency. It was a simple trick which I showed you last time. There are many more tricks which are going to come in my forthcoming videos, but before that I would like to tell you some unique features which we get on Binomo where we can trade and get a lot of money. As you can easily understand from the description that I earned approximately 10,000 rupees by just investing around 700 rupees. Now how did I do that? Is it possible on Binomo? The answer is yes. And that is why I'm making this video, just to explain to you how I did. So to start with, I traded on cryptocurrency. Now there is something on this platform, you can see there is something called tournaments. If you go to tournaments, you'll see there are a lot of daily free, weekly tournaments, there are fortnight tournaments, there is victory, city, business, right? So let's take an example. So let's go to weekly tournament. Now this is a tournament where currently we have 199 participants. Rebuy cost is 725. Now what is exactly a rebuy cost? I'll explain to you in some time. So to start with, if you see, there is an entry fee which is 725 rupees. So 725 rupees is something you need to pay to enroll for joining this tournament, for signing up for this tournament. Once you pay 725 rupees, you get a slot, and there's a particular time frame. Like for example, here it's written 1 day and 8 hours. So when it says 1 day and 8 hours, that means after 1 day and 8 hours, this tournament will start and you will be able to play with the number of participants who would have joined by then. Currently it's 199, so considering you join, so there will be in total 200 participants who would have joined by paying 725 rupees. Now when you pay 725 rupees, when the tournament starts, it starts with 100, right? You see starting balance set as 100. So this is the starting balance that you get, and not only you, all the 200 players will get 100. Now you start trading. Now when you start trading, there's a chance that you might win on your first trade or maybe lose. In case you win, congratulations, your amount increases. But in case you lose, your balance comes down from 100, that is, it comes below 100. So once it comes below 100, that's what it mentions over here, that you can buy at any time when your tournament balance is less than 100. So that means that's when the rebuy cost comes into picture. So in order to buy, once your balance comes down below 100, in order to buy, you need to again pay 725. Now that's the reason I told you again and again that whenever you plan to invest in these kind of trading platforms, the best thing which even Binomo suggests is to start with the dummy balance, right, which is available 24 hours and you can play with it, use your own logic, or maybe use some of the logics which I have identified over the course of my trading experience and use them to multiply your money, right? So this is how I started, and you can see how the prices are distributed. So the person, if you see the prices, the first prize gets 76,172, and it goes on and on and on till the last amount we see over here is 6,094, and that is 26 to 30. That means people who will be in the top 30 will be getting an award for sure, and the minimum award that you will be getting is 6,094. So you can very well estimate what would have been my rank, right? Now coming back, since we have started this video and it would not be good to actually leave you like this, so let's do some dummy trading and show you how it works. Okay, let me think, and I feel the price is going to come down for sure, because if you see the market sentiments, there are 38% people who feel that it will come down, and whoa, it is coming down indeed. So I had invested 3,500 and 3210. Yep. So now my balance will increase by 6405. So that is my balance increase. So do check out my videos if you really want to understand and trade. If you want to contact me personally, I'm always ready. Let me know, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, because this helps me in understanding if our viewers would like to know much videos. I mean, would they like to learn more on trading? Because let me tell you a very frank thing, most of the people in this world feel that trading is a matter of luck. But I must say one thing, 20% luck for sure, but 80% it's all about knowledge and observation. If you're able to observe and if you're able to apply your knowledge, definitely you'll get through for sure. Keep trading, be happy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.